So guys, the cars are here. Here we have the Porsche 911, super loud. What is up everyone, and welcome back to another vlog guys. And as you guys can see, we are here at Symbiosis College Viman Nagar, and there is a whole lineup of supercars at my back, and I'm gonna be showing you that. Let's just head directly over to the cars. We have here a modified Thar, a wrapped Thar though, and then moving up ahead we have this very beautiful and elegant Bentley Bentayga, also a very nicely modded Porsche 911 Carrera S. But this one right over here is something different, I would say. This one has got this whole carbon fiber wing out here, as you guys can see, completely forged Descartes carbon fiber wing. And we have another Porsche 911 right over here, which is of Arman Gandhi, popping so nicely in the light. Here we have Sahil Dada's Jaguar F-Type, wrapped in very unique shade, this satin orange. Let's get in a hop real quick. So guys, right now I'm inside the Jaguar F-Type, and this is what the POV looks like, the one who drives the car. That is of course Sahil Dada over here. By the way, really love the interiors, white and black combination of the interiors. We've got the memory seat functions right over there, lock unlock button, and the Meridian surround sound system. A really nice interior though, the Jaguar logo popping up on the screen. If I hit 1 million subscribers on this channel, I will definitely buy it for you guys, so make sure you subscribe. Yeah, so this is the C43 AMG, as you guys can see, and this is the bi-turbo initializations on the car. Coupe C43, a small carbon fiber spoiler at the back, C43 initials right over there. And we also have a new car for this time Symbiosis event, which is the Jaguar XKR convertible, now wrapped in blue shade. Convertible, as you guys can see, nicely maintained interiors, and this is how it looks and pops out in the light. Then guys, we also have a Mustang right over here, as it was there last time at this same event, and another red Mustang, as you guys can see, popping out. By the way guys, we have something here which I have not shown you guys on my channel since a long time. I mean, I've shown you the Z4, but this is the newer version of the Z4, which is the Z4M. And as you guys can see, this one is a soft top convertible. The previous gen used to be a hard top, but yeah, this is how the back looks of the car. I'm hoping I'm not getting the copyright due to the songs. So a luxury convertible sedan, which is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. I have the Camaro pulling in. Wow, looks so nice and fresh in black. Someone out here is trying to rev the Z4. I think she's new to this thing, but yeah, we are heading right towards the Bentley to check it out. Guys, the Bentley is now about to leave. There goes the Mustang. We are having a rev battle right now. Smoke coming out of the tires. Guys, we have got the Camaro, which has been lined up right in front of me, along with the Polaris right beside it, and a very cute teddy bear over here posing with the car. now have the biker gang coming. Check this out. BMW, another Suzuki. There goes the Mustang. Another Mustang we already have over here. In case to rev. Oh, even this is leaving right now. By the way guys, checking out the Slingshot, we have got a Ninja ZX-10R. Okay, this is pretty much the interior of the Polaris Slingshot R, all the way from Dubai, and we've got some nice sporty seats over here, some automatic functions, the screen right over there, a paddle shifter also. By the way, a fun fact, this car has got almost more than 200 horsepower and it's fun to drive, as explained by the owner to me. The Slingshot R initials right over there. And from the back, some people would hate it, but yeah, this is what it is. It's got only one wheel at the back and it's a rear wheel drive. And here are the Dubai plates. This car is here on Carnet in India. Looks so sporty. We've also got some cool aerodynamics right over there. This is the Slingshot logo. There goes Sahil Lada. There comes the Porsche 911. Guys, that was really crazy. Hello.
Only when I'm taking food, looking like a boss, I shift the hand. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Walking 50 like a spray tan. Mr.